In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant reservoir cap, which is this one right here, that connects the radiator to the reservoir. Let's get started. Pop this cap off and pull it up and out of the overflow tank. Now to remove this hose from the cap, just pull the hose clamp off and slide the hose away. And then do the same over here, twist it, except there's no hose clamp here. And there it is. Now if you had your new cap, put the lower hose back in, slide the hose that comes from the radiator back over it, make sure it's bottomed out, and resecure it with the hose clamp. Now just slide the hose with the cap over, press it on. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.